Are you looking to add more nutritious meals to your diet? Do you want to shake things up in the kitchen while maintaining a healthy lifestyle? Welcome to a culinary adventure where we'll be exploring 10 healthy, delectable recipes that will tantalize your taste buds without compromising on your fitness goals. Because let's face it, a healthy diet isn't just about counting calories, it's about nourishing your body and soul with wholesome food. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare these simple yet delicious meals. Our first recipe is a refreshing quinoa salad, packed with protein and fiber. To kick things off, we'll rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. This crucial step removes any bitterness and preps our main ingredient for cooking. While that's simmering away, we'll chop up some fresh vegetables. Think crisp cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and vibrant bell peppers. The more color, the better. Now let's talk quinoa. This superfood is not only loaded with protein, but also contains all 9 essential amino acids. That's right, it's a complete protein. It's also high in fiber and antioxidants, making it a perfect choice for our fitness-focused dish. Once the quinoa is fluffy and cooked, we'll mix it with our chopped veggies, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for that zesty kick, sprinkle some salt and pepper to taste, and voila! A delicious, nutritious quinoa salad is ready for your enjoyment. Enjoy this high-protein, fiber-rich salad anytime. And for breakfast lovers, try this vibrant smoothie bowl. To whip up this tasty treat, start with a base of frozen bananas and mixed berries. Blend until smooth and pour into your favorite bowl. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Sprinkle a handful of granola for that perfect crunch, followed by a medley of fresh fruits. Think juicy strawberries, tangy kiwi, and sweet mango chunks. Don't forget the seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds will not only add a delightful texture, but also pack a punch of nutrients. These seeds are tiny powerhouses of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. And the fruits? They're bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. This smoothie bowl is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your body. It's a delicious way to sneak in those fruits and seeds you've been meaning to eat more of. Start your day right with this nutrient-packed breakfast. If you're a fan of spices, this chickpea curry is for you. Let's jump into the step-by-step method to whip up this flavorful dish. First, sauté some onions, garlic, and ginger until they're golden brown. Next, add in your spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a dash of cayenne for that kick. Then, pop in your chickpeas and let them get cozy with those spices. Pour in a can of diced tomatoes and let everything simmer until it's thick and aromatic. Now, let's talk health benefits. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice for muscle recovery and digestion. The spices not only add flavor but also have anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin aids digestion, while turmeric is a potent antioxidant. So, there you have it. Your chickpea curry is ready to serve. Pair it with some brown rice or whole grain naan for a complete meal. A comforting, protein-rich meal. Perfect for dinner. Craving for some seafood? Try this baked salmon recipe. Let's dive in, shall we? First off, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, let's prepare the salmon. Massage a mix of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs onto the fillet. This not only infuses it with flavors but also keeps it moist while baking. Now place the salmon on a lined baking tray and slide it into your preheated oven. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked to your liking. Now, while our salmon bakes to perfection, let's talk about its health benefits. Salmon is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with protein, vitamin D, and most importantly, omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. The lemon juice adds a burst of antioxidants, and the garlic provides a healthy dose of allicin, known for its heart protective properties. So you see, this dish is not just delicious but also incredibly good for you. Enjoy this heart-healthy omega-3 rich dish. Next up is a fun and colorful dish: veggie stuffed bell peppers. This is a wholesome and delicious way to pack in your daily dose of veggies. Let's dive into the creation of this vibrant dish. We start by preheating the oven and halving the bell peppers, removing the seeds and core. Meanwhile, we sauté onions, garlic, zucchini, and mushrooms, flavoring them with herbs and spices. Once they're nicely caramelized, we mix in cooked quinoa and diced tomatoes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Now we stuff the bell peppers with this hearty veggie mix, top it off with some shredded cheese, and bake until the peppers are tender and the cheese is bubbly and golden. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, and when combined with the fiber-rich quinoa and nutrient-dense veggies, you have a balanced meal that's both tasty and good for you. Add color and nutrients to your meals with this recipe. For a sweet start to the day, we have banana oat pancakes. First, blend together a ripe banana and a cup of oats until you get a smooth batter. The beauty of oats is that they're packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Combined with the natural sweetness and potassium-rich goodness of bananas, you've got a recipe for a power-packed breakfast. Next, heat a non-stick pan and pour in a scoop of the batter. You want to cook this over medium heat until the edges are set and bubbles form on top. Then flip it over and cook the other side until golden. Serve these pancakes with a drizzle of honey or a dollop of Greek yogurt, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's not just delicious but also nutritious. These banana oat pancakes are a great way to kickstart your day with energy and good vibes. A wholesome breakfast never tasted so good. For a quick and easy meal, try this chicken avocado wrap. Begin by grilling your chicken breast, seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper. Meanwhile, spread a generous layer of Greek yogurt on your whole grain wrap. Slice your ripe avocado, not too thin, not too thick. You want that creamy texture to shine through. Add your grilled chicken and avocado slices to the wrap. Top it off with some fresh lettuce and a drizzle of lime juice. Roll it up and voila, your chicken avocado wrap is ready to serve. Now, let's talk health benefits. Chicken is a lean protein, great for muscle recovery and growth. Avocado, on the other hand, is a fantastic source of healthy fats, promoting heart health and providing sustained energy. The whole grain wrap gives you a good dose of fiber, aiding digestion. And the Greek yogurt? A protein powerhouse, supporting muscle repair and strength. A healthy lunch option that's ready in minutes. For a delicious dessert or snack, we have a Greek yogurt parfait. Let's dive into the creation of this delightful dish. Start with a layer of Greek yogurt at the base. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein, keeping you full and energized. Next, add a layer of granola for a satisfying crunch, and then a layer of your favorite fruits. Berries are a great choice as they are packed with antioxidants and add a natural sweetness to the parfait. Repeat these layers until your glass or bowl is full, finishing with a fruit layer on top for a pop of color. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. You can customize it with different fruits or granola to suit your taste. This Greek yogurt parfait is not only a feast for the taste buds but also for the eyes. It's a dessert that brings joy to the senses and nourishment to the body. Satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your diet. We've shared 8 delicious, nutritious recipes that can complement your fitness lifestyle. Let's jog our memory a bit, shall we? We started with a vibrant quinoa salad packed with proteins and fiber, a perfect lunch option to keep you full and satisfied. Then we moved on to a delightful smoothie bowl, a concoction of fresh fruits and vegetables, offering a wealth of vitamins and minerals to jumpstart your day. The third recipe was a spicy chickpea curry, a hearty dish rich in plant-based protein and fiber, ideal for a warm dinner. Following that, we unveiled a succulent baked salmon, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, keeping your heart happy and your skin glowing. Halfway through, we introduced veggie-stuffed bell peppers, a colorful medley of vegetables and lean protein, ensuring a balance of all essential nutrients. Next up was the banana oat pancakes, a perfect blend of carbohydrates and proteins to fuel your morning workout. The seventh recipe was a quick and easy chicken avocado wrap, a great on-the-go meal loaded with healthy fats and lean protein. And finally, we ended with a sweet note of Greek yogurt parfait, a dessert rich in probiotics and antioxidants promoting gut health and boosting immunity. Remember, a healthy diet is just as important as regular exercise. Stay fit, stay healthy, and enjoy cooking. Hey there, you've made it to the end of another thrilling video. Your support means we can continue providing top-notch content. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your VIP pass to all our latest videos. But wait, there's more. To never miss a beat, give that notification bell a friendly tap. Yes, that little icon right there. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new content. Remember, your participation fuels our motivation, so subscribe, ring that bell, and join our community of enthusiasts. We're excited to have you on board. See you in the next video.